What's up guys, and today we're going to review Wix. Having a website nowadays is a very important thing as a blogger or as a businessman. Even if you want to show your products, you will need a website. Need to show some services that you also provide will necessarily need a website. So Wix will help you to design your own website from scratch without using programming. So let's first talk about Wix itself. Wix is the largest website building platform worldwide, hosting over 250 million users across 190 countries. And size matters when it comes to hosting platforms. You need reliability to ensure your website stays up and running. And for those unfamiliar, Wix is tailored for folks without coding skills. Wix is tailored for folks without coding skills who want to easily create and manage a website. And getting started is simple. You pick a domain name and hosting plan from these options. Hosting is cloud-based, meaning you can manage your site from anywhere without downloading software. Building a website, especially for those with limited experience, is surprisingly enjoyable and straightforward with Wix. They offer a vast app store with thousands of plugins and tools to enhance your website appearance. And functionally, something cool about Wix is that they operate on a software as a service model requiring a monthly fee for access. However, all necessary tools for creating and maintaining your website are included in your subscription. And now, while we are on subscriptions, let's explore their plans, pricing, and what features each plan includes. Now, when talking about plans and pricing, before I dive into the paid options, I want to mention that Wix does offer a limit-free website option with minimal bandwidth. The downside is that your site have Wix branding and a domain like www.website.wix.com. However, this could work if you are hosting a one-time events or party and just want to test out their features. But for most standard websites, having Wix branding or their name in the domain might seem unprofessional. So if you want to avoid that, you will need to choose from 4 pricing plans ranging from $17 to $159 per month, all of which come with a 14-day free trial. And the most budget-friendly plan is the Lite plan at price $17 a month if you pay for a year upfront. It's great for personal users looking to create an online resume, portfolio, or blog. With any paid plan, you won't have Wix branding on your site, and you will even receive a free custom domain for a year. Plus, you will get an SSL certificate to keep sensitive data secure. The Lite plan offers 2 GB of storage and up to 30 minutes of video. If you anticipate more visitors or traffic, you will want to consider the core plan. It's ideal for businesses and nonprofits offering e-commerce features, and a 70% discount for 2 years for nonprofits priced at $29 a month with an annual payment. It includes everything in the Lite plan plus 50 GB of storage, basic site analytics, e-commerce functions, marketing tools, and more for business. Looking to set up a proper online shop, the business plan at $36 per month with an annual payments might be the best choice. It provides all the tools needed for a successful e-commerce site, including 100 GB of storage, premium apps from the App Store, and access to marketing and SEO tools. If you need unlimited storage and video streaming for a larger business, the Business Unlimited plan at $159 a month could be suitable. However, it's mainly designed for websites expecting high traffic. Now let's talk about the experience with Wix. Overall, it was pretty smooth and easy. When you start designing your website, you have over 800 templates to choose from, and customizing them with Wix is easy. There are plenty of tutorials available if you are new to website building. However, once you pick a template, changing it later isn't straightforward, so choose wisely. Some users complain that not all templates work well on mobile devices. After either among Wix features, the drag and drop editor stands out as user-friendly. For more advanced options, there is Velo Dev Mode for developers and Editor X for responsive design. Don't worry, if these sound complex, Wix is primarily designed for beginners. Wix Studio offers even more editing features, handy for future needs, After setting up design and content, you can add features and functions from a wide selection of widgets and business tools. And if you need a custom business email, you will have to add a Google Workspace plan for $6 a month with paid plans. You also get 24/7 customer service and helpful tutorials. Now, when comparing Wix with other websites that provide the same services, like Squarespace, for example, I found Wix offers more customization options and features at Squarespace, on the other hand, is simpler to use and ensures mobile responsiveness for all templates. However, Wix excel in e-commerce functions, template variety, and integrations. In conclusion, Wix is a top choice for building website, offering numerous features, customizable templates, and great e-commerce solutions. And actually, it is a great start for a beginner. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.